Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another round. Um, hello, IBSSI. Welcome to the channel. Let's do round number 2. 5 minutes typing, 35 minutes development. Let's go. Next lesson. Start a timer. List to maybe. Fuck. 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 I should rewrite this page into something readable since like people are actually like clicking on that clip right now. It's garbage right now. God damn it. Nice form. %6. 637. Cheers. Oh boy. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the channel. You beautiful people. Yes. Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome to this channel. For everyone who doesn't know what is up in here, this is a programming stream. I do program. I try to improve myself in programming. I split my sessions into rounds. Each round consists of 5 minutes of typing exercise and then 35 minutes of something development related. So yeah, apparently I will have some exercise to do as well, and that will be after this 35 minutes timeout will go off. But I stopped it right now because I want to explain what is this about. So to the typing exercise, I wrote a simple application which tracks my progress. I started in here. This is the error rate. That was 8 point blah blah, not 32 BPM. And currently I'm here. You can see I got worse in a few last 3 days, but it is okay because in general I'm heading in the right direction. Currently we are writing the front end part of the application which I wrote. It is a full stack application. On a back end we have a Java, Spring, PostgreSQL and H2 database, and at the front end we have a Angular and TypeScript, and yeah, there's not much. The application should be like the food and grocery shopping advisor based on of your preferences, but the functionality is currently not there. The only thing which I do have in place is the basic CRUD operation, basically just proving that the core CRUD operations work properly in the application. Yeah, I started working on a front-end part where I create like a mock or unconnected front-end, basically. Yeah, just what's the tea for today? Getting an exercise routine going right there. Yeah, it's okay. Today we are drinking Da Hong Pao, which is a oolong from Wuyi in China. This has been given to me as a gift 4 years ago by my friend. Yeah, it's pretty nice, really famous tea, and pretty nice. Yeah, it's kind of dark. This one is special, like in a sense, like normally the Da Hong Pao is not like pressed into bricks or another. It is oolong, which is like a loose tea, but this one has been pressed into a table. Yeah, that's the tea we are drinking today. It's very good tea. Anyway, we will continue in the things we are doing, and after 35 minutes we will do those. Okay. So currently we have a problem. Yeah, that was the router outlet, right? So all of this I want to learn more about tea that is available. Yeah, sure. So there is Redeem, which you can use, and that is over here. It is called Tea Time. This one. It costs some amount of points, and if this is like redeemed, I talk for 5 minutes about tea, and you can ask me your questions, and usually I have all the answers. Well, I do not have all the answers, but for people who doesn't know much about tea, I usually can answer all of the questions they have in mind. If you are a lot into a tea, you probably will find some questions which I will have no answer to. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so what I want to have definitely, the up component will be empty, and I want to have the requirements and what the hell is this? Where's the problem? Where is the problem? In the up component, roads cannot be self-closed. Okay, so we can solve that problem right away. You will be not self-closed. Router outlet, here we go. Now what? Now what? Oh, we have it twice. Yeah, because we are on the ingredients. Very nice. Okay, so, and if we do requirements works. Okay, cool. So what we want is to move, because currently, well, yeah, the ingredients should be in its own component, right? So the add component currently will only put a heading on top. That's one thing. Second one will be, it will have this outlet, which will be changed based off the road in the application. Yes, this part in here. Yeah, so if I do just this, I should have here just the food shopper, and that will be it. That would be it. Maybe I will get there like buttons, you know, like to the ingredients, or the other thing, right? So yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. In 30 minutes I should be able to do it, no problem, I think. So we will generate the ingredient component, ng generate component ingredients. If I have a typo, it doesn't matter. And we have a redeem to change the background. Very nice. I'll pause the timer. I'll do that. I'll have a look if it's safe for Twitch. Which one? There's a lot of pictures. Like all of them are nice. Which one will it be? Hey Tron. So let me know, Swarm, which of the pictures I should set up my background to, since you redeemed the points, and I will do so. All of them are beautiful. Oh, that's interesting. It's cool too. Are really nice pictures. Oh wow. Slider, IntelliJ. I don't know. I don't know. But then it would probably do slideshow of all of the things. Let's see. So if I have background image, can I? I don't know how. So choose one and I will set it up. Okay. So meanwhile, before Swarm will choose the one winning picture, we'll continue. Okay, so I'm generating the thing, right? I did generate the thing. So here in the project structure, we can see we have ingredients. Now, what we will do to move everything, which is the ingredients related, which is below here, to the ingredients template. X, like so. Okay, so all of those will go to the ingredients HTML. I'll paste it in here. Now we have some problems. We are missing all those things, right? But it's okay because that is in the component component the main component. So there's a selector, template URL, that's okay, export class, okay, title Foodshopper, yes. Okay, so here the fun starts. Okay, so what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What's your problem? Trailing white space. So delete it. The constructor, we will change the get ingredients JSON, that's what we want, and that. Then default ingredient we want as well. And we want those. Okay, so we will start to move those to the new home. Okay, so seems like we have a winner. It's this guy, okay. Looks like, oh, it is It is cemetery. Okay, cool. Cemetery are often very nice places. Backgrounds, redeems, and this is 2021 free 23, and it is 2223, and it is from Swarm Collective. Okay, now we'll change the background. Okay, this looks good. This looks good. Okay. Okay. Very nice. Is the code visible? I hope it is. I can see it, so I hope you can too. Okay, so I resume the timer. Thank you very much. Also, this, why don't you show like all the things? Change background is completed, and the exercise thing we will do after this timer. Turns out. Okay, so resume the timer. Few clicks and that's it. That's nice. So the component I probably have there, right? So I do ingredients component. Not that, this ingredient. Ingredients component. Yes. Okay. Component. So we'll take those, put it in here. I see. Oh, thank you for the follow, MRKZ. Yes. And this will be ingredient from there. Here we go. Now what we have next. We have this dummy data, so we'll steal that and put it in here as well. And what do we have next? So the title we will keep. We definitely creating something with the code. Oh, that sounds. Okay, that is good news if you did enjoy it. If you hated it and you hated the same, then it's not good. But I suppose it was enjoyable for you. So the ingredient initialization will go in here. Then the constructor I will use this, but I need to close this. Okay. No. What you are doing? Insert that. Good. Formatted. Beautiful. A component. This will be without anything in it. The constructor, and then we will steal all of this and put it in here. And before you know, we have separated the functionality. Okay, what about the imports? Ingredients on it. Looks like I'm missing some import. No. Approve title for food chopper. Through a period of frustration learning something new. However, once past that, it was quite enjoyable. Yeah, if learning frustration were my only problem, I would be a really happy person. Cool, so now we have food chopper, which is not exactly what I wanted. And we will have a look why. So here we are displaying the title once, right? And currently we are in the ingredients, so we are showing the we need to fix the routing because the ingredients shows again the same thing, right? So in the routing module, the ingredients will not point to app component anymore, but it will, hold on, delete in a word. Okay, I'm doing change in a word and I don't even know that I'm doing. This will be I want the new component, which is the ingredient component. Ingredients component. Okay, so now it should work. Look at that, beautiful. Now if I go here and I say requirements, we have that as well. So and I want two buttons in there. One would be switch to requirements, the other one to the other thing, right? So we go to the HTML component. We will put two buttons. Button you can add dummy header and footer component as well. Yeah, yes, I can do that. Why would I do that? Oh, I thought that you mean that I could have them in separate components, which did let me think like, why would I? Why would I? But maybe the navigation I could put in separate thing. Put header component above footer. And footer, yes. Well, that's what I thought, right? This will be like I do understand it. Here will be header and here will be footer. maybe if it will become like complicated or whatever, I will do that. Right now, I kind of feel it would be too much to have like 4 new files just to add 2 buttons in there. So button, but the rerouting, that was done differently. It was on the button. Serve, yeah, sure. Dashboard view. Where's the HTML thingy? Router link. Okay. Route link. And how do you specify the routes? You just did. This is the. Oh, it says nav. Huh. Can use nav. Guess. Yeah, but it. I can play with it. Nav. And we will have a router link, and that will be /ingredients. Ingredients. How does it look like? Okay. Sucks. That's okay. Yeah, we have the functionality. And if I click on it, it works. Cool. Horizontal line, horizontal HR. I don't know which one was it. Oh yes, that's that. And next we will have a same thing. This will be not ingredients, it will be requirements, and like so. That's ugly. It's fucking ugly. Better. Okay, we'll keep it as it is right now. Requirements, ingredients, cool. Now we will put some shit into requirements, but first of all I will do a commit, and I will create a new branch, because currently I am on the API change. Yeah, so I will create a new branch with a new thing. And thank you, Swarm. It's just a little step by a little step. How the fuck is it called? So, so it will be. Well, I did 2 things at one. I'm trying to keep the okay, maybe I should do like the separation and then introduce the requirements, but maybe it will make sense more, because what I'm thinking about is we are doing this project like two people, right? It's me and my friend, and we are teaching each other, you know, like what we are doing, right? And he's doing the, you know, like the DevOps side of things, you know, so the configuration of the environment, building the CI pipeline, and so on. And he's explaining the containers, you know, the Docker to me, and I am explaining the coding, the back end, the front end, the databases to him. So usually the pull request, the approval is like sharing knowledge one with another, right? So even for that process would be to keep the pull request as small as possible, you know, because then it's much more digestible, you know, like if there's too much happening in one commit, first, it is harder to approve it, right? And even when you think about it, I think it's cognitively more pleasant to have a like smaller part, you know, because you understand the part and then you kind of you can close the door behind one particular part in the code and think about it as a separate like issue. So with that in mind, I still will put it in here. So this will be requirement GUI. Requirements GUI. I don't know. Why not? Okay, cool. Now I will select all of those and we will put it into the Git. And putting in Git, I mean it is now tracked things, right? And I will do commit. So here, what we did is, why is not expanded? So we created the view for, or we did migrate it. I could separate it in two commits. It would be moving the ingredients to a separate thing and then moving ingredients GUI to its own component. That's what we did here. Yeah, review the things. Let's learn. Unused import. Well, thank you very much. Okay, that's all. Commit. Okay, that works. Now we have another thing, and this was creation of the component. So this is requirements and component GUI set up. Yeah, I'll do that. And now we can do some shenanigans inside of here. So we will be in the requirements component, and we will go to the view. And how does it look right now? Oh, come on. So ingredients looks like this, requirements like that. But so maybe some heading like requirements, whatever. Yeah, so we'll change this to H2 maybe. Requirements for the time being. Okay, good. Now we want, what do we fucking want? Maybe some drop down. Okay, so we want the input for the energy thing, right? So we will have a input. Holy fuck, I don't even know. HTML text input number input. Is this how you do it? What about this? Input types, input type number. Is this the thing? How you do it nowadays? The input type number. I think this is how you do it. Even when you are, yeah, I think this is how you do it nowadays, the modern way. I think so. Okay, so input type blah blah blah. So we'll have a input type number. Here we go. Like so. I don't need it. Okay, so how does it look? That's okay. It takes numbers, right? Okay, and then I'll have $10,000. And I want label energy per day. How does it look? Cool. I like that. Now, what else? We do want. Okay, so now it will be interesting because okay, so we will have some categories, I guess. So I will define here. Here we will have some food category. I don't know. Okay, we'll call it category for time being. Categories. That will be string, array. What's your problem? Yes, I know. And it will be equal to. Where's that? Okay, and we will have a meat. Oh yeah. They like the single quotes in the TypeScript land. Meat, vegetables. People. It could be in one line. You know what? Someone would probably think this is not joke at all. So meat. I don't know. So chicken. And I'm already running into like maybe I could like select like meat, you know, and from the meat things I could select another things. Welcome, Roxanne. Is it like Orksan CZ because you are from Czech Republic, or is it like Orksanch and you are Polish? Okay. And we have someone from Croatia. Of course we do. Of course we do. And we know who it is, huh? Yeah, how are you? And I don't mind. Anyway, they pronounce it. Yeah, I don't have a... My name is Stepan in Czech, but my US colleagues, they were like, Stepan, Stepan. So I said, you know, it's like step, and so Stepan is like completely fine. And I also don't mind, you know. I don't think like that hurts, you know. Stepan. That sounds nice, actually. I think I like it. Stepan. And is it also celebrated on 26th of December? Like that? Do you have it the same? I know like different countries like have the celebration for the like different names in different times. So chicken, beef, lentils. I don't know. What the database have? So shared with me this. And if I do download data, notes for downloading, it's CVS, ASCII file, great. Data type documentation, nice. I want to see the columns. Foundation foods. What is that? Following can be done. Let's see. Explored explanation. I wonder if they have like also like some group in it. Well, so we'll try to get this. Why the April is bigger than the October? What the fuck? Okay, so I will see notes later. Right now I am interested in set and die. Oh, cool. So it's the same here. Fuck. Never mind. Bye. Okay, so we have this and oh the fuck. So let's see. ID, nutrient ID, ammo, data points, minimize. Oh fuck, that's not at all what I want. Oh fuck that, I will not solve this now. We'll wing it. We'll wing it at the moment. And they are doing the same. Oh, there's a lot of things, huh? And this concludes the round number 2.